Pull the covers up, mastering a cozy English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to explore a very common yet charming phrase, pull the covers up. This phrase is not only about the action it describes but also carries a warmth and care that is often found in everyday English conversations. Let's unfold its meaning together and see how you can use it in your daily English speaking. Pull the covers up might seem straightforward at first glance, but it's packed with context and emotion. Literally, it means to lift and adjust the bed covers or blankets over oneself or someone else, usually to ensure warmth or comfort while lying in bed. However, the simplicity of this action carries a deeper sense of care, protection, and comfort. This phrase can be used in various scenarios, highlighting its versatility in English conversation. 1. Before going to sleep. It's common to say this when you're getting ready to sleep and want to be snug and warm under your blankets. 2. Taking care of someone. If someone is not feeling well or if it's a cold night, you might pull the covers up over them as a gesture of care. 3. In children's bedtime routines, parents often use this phrase when tucking their children into bed, accompanied by a goodnight kiss. To give you a better understanding, here are a few examples of how this phrase can be used in everyday conversations. It's chilly tonight. Don't forget to pull the covers up before you drift off to sleep. I noticed you were shivering, so I came in to pull the covers up and make sure you're warm. After reading a bedtime story, I pulled the covers up for my daughter and kissed her goodnight. Pull the covers up is more than just a phrase about making yourself comfortable in bed. It's a small, loving gesture that adds warmth to our interactions and care for those around us. We hope this video has given you a deeper insight into this cozy expression and how it can be used to express care and comfort in English. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel a little warmer and more connected to the English language. Sweet dreams, and don't forget to pull the covers up tonight.